5-minute presentation. I'll start my presentation with demonstration on my program. Here is my code for the assignment. In the main file, I create the creatures objects from text files, and each object has the animate function that gets called. The creature constructor function receives a text string as input, and the function sets up the variables in the file stream, reads the file line by line, and then we're reading the file. There's two counters, empty line and line counter. They're used to keep track of the number of empty lines and lines in total. They're important for helping to calculate the number of frames as well as the size of each frame. So it's important to print the frames to the console accurately using them. And using the for loops organizes the animation frame, and then it will make them. Down here is the animate function. It's printing out the lines from the object created for each frame. How the animation mechanism works is that in order for creature, I clear the screen, print the frame, and wait a delay by 1 second before repeating the process for the next frames. Okay, the creature header file is a vector used for holding animation frame objects, which fulfills the requirement that creature objects need to hold all its animation frame objects. Over here, the default constructor on line 13 is not used. Without it, there will be some compilation errors. Okay, just over here on the animation frame.cpp file, I use a vector string to hold the lines in the frame. And use the vector, of course, because it allows for a flexible number of lines. So you can make the creature more chubby by making it longer. And then there's just a simple constructor for setting the member variables. Okay, then then animation frame header file creates a vector of strings. There's some usual getter and setter methods. And then these two down here are custom refine the size, and then just getting the line at any index of the frame. This is not the end of the code, so I covered all the program. And in my opinion, the most important part is, of course, the creature class, because it converts a text file into the objects that need to be animated, and then it performs the animations. All the class requirements were followed as per the handout. Thanks for watching my presentation.